how to use pipiads to find winning products. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use PP ads to find winning products. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, sign up for PP ads. After that, go to the pricing section and choose a plan like the starter plan for $77 per month. Then start your trial by clicking on Get Started. Now, you'll be on the dashboard where you can see an overview. Next, go to the Ads section to filter by different categories like dropshipping products and TikTok Shop ads. After that, select TikTok ads and filter by TikTok Shop ads. You can choose the country or region, and for the language, select English. Now, set it by the number of impressions to find the top ads. Then, check out the winning products that show high impressions like the Halloween mask. Click on it to see details like impressions, duration, and estimated orders. Go through products with high impressions for potential winning products. Now, filter by Facebook ads to find winning products on that platform as well. You can download media from these ads to see what they are using for advertising. Finally, explore the top products and filter by impressions or growth rate to identify upcoming products. You can also sort by ad cost to find products that are being heavily advertised. So that's basically how you can use PPAds to find winning products. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.